Welcome to the Victaulic booth here at the Expo. Today with me is Chris Garofoli, and he will be talking to us about an array of product offerings from Victaulic today.
Well, the value that we're trying to provide the industry are productivity savings, total installed cost savings, as well as different design aids that provide value to design engineers and owners.
How many types of couplings do you provide? Can you talk a little bit about your product line?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the products that we probably want to talk about today, since we are at the AHR show, is a coupling that is designed for prefabrication and modular systems. As there are more complex construction projects out there with compressed schedules, everybody's trying to find a way to meet and exceed those expectations of those scheduling and construction costs.
Right.
With our coupling, we have developed something that is in that prefabrication, that modular design, modular construction arena that allows us to say that we have a center leg on the gasket that allows for ease of installation. We have a shift limiting bolt pad, which allows for us to use a power tool to actually tighten down with one touch on each side, faster installation, as well as this product still has what we call our visual verification, a higher QA and QC procedure, knowing that you've done the product correctly the first time.
Okay, and what sizes does this coupling come in?
This comes in 2 through 12 inch.
So we are looking at, for example, are there some on this?
Yeah, absolutely.
So you can
So you
point
will
those
see
out?
some 8-inch products here. So again, through those complex construction processes, there's a lot of things that can be done on the front end of your designs to ensure that you are getting the proper parameters met on those designs for construction. So for example, with Victaulic on front end design, we have a virtual design and construction or a BIM group that works to help lay out all the systems. We also have a group within Victaulic that does a lot of the engineering for thermal and seismic.
So they do the work for the design firms?
Absolutely,
and
design firms and the contracting firm.
Oh, wow.
From there, we do have some job site support as well as construction support. Our fabrication support is increasing productivity as well as reducing material handling.
Okay, so can you expand a little bit about the piping design movement that's going on?
Yeah, absolutely. At Victaulic, we have a group of over 20 people who that includes mechanical engineers, structural engineers, as well as designers that help to analyze the system, provide how much movement will be occurring in that thermal expansion contraction or seismic drifts. From there, we provide what the anchor loads are going to be, provide placement on those anchor loads, and then we will optimize the design for that movement on that project. So as you see here, this is one way that we could do it, and there is another option for that same movement.
Okay.
Just
And
2 different designs.
2 different designs. Okay, and then you can help select what's the best fit
Yep.
for...
Selecting what's the best fit for that project. For a lot of mission critical type facilities,
Yes.
there is a lot of growth in those horizontal buildings.
Okay.
And so what we are making sure we are doing is we are placing our products in specific areas to accommodate for that movement that is going to occur, because those mission critical facilities require the highest reliability that we can deliver by doing all those analytics and then working with the installers and those contractors to make sure that it is laid out in the proper way to make sure it lasts the design life of that system.
So we've talked a little bit about the product offerings from Victaulic and how you can help engineers out in developing these systems. What other products do you offer?
Yeah. So here at AHR, we are talking more about HVAC or mechanical type systems, but we also make systems for plumbing as well and domestic water.
Okay.
What we see here are our pressure reducing valve station. We have systems that are built out of stainless steel, copper, as well as non-metallics. So depending on which way that the designer wants to go or the contractor and the economics around that, we can provide a solution in that system. So it is not only the couplings, but also valving and fittings and different modular built systems. We have multiple groups within Victaulic that will help actually size appropriately that valving, or will size the flow of your projects for hydronic balancing, but this would be more of our domestic water platform here.
So Chris, what can our readers, viewers expect from Victaulic in the year ahead?
Yeah. Again, with all the complex projects that are going around the country, we look forward to engaging with our customers on prefabrication, modular ideas, as well as a lot of the design aids we talked about today, whether that be thermal, seismic, or some type of flow design.
So outside of the show, how can people get more information or get in touch with Victaulic?
Of course, we'd love to engage all of our customers, and so if we want to drive them back through Victaulic.com, or they can go talk to their local representatives.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.
Have
Appreciate
a great
it.
day.